Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by ensuring the controller has power and a stable connection. First, insert AA batteries or connect the rechargeable pack so you avoid interruptions. The LED will show charge. Next, press the Xbox button to power on and enter pairing mode. Hold the pair button on the controller until the light flashes. Once done, connect with a USB cable for immediate use or pair wirelessly through the console or PC Bluetooth. This gives you wired stability versus wireless convenience because latency differs. Now you configure inputs and update software so controls feel right. On Xbox or PC, open devices and accessories to remap buttons and set profiles. You do this to match how you play and to reduce accidental presses. Then tweak stick sensitivity and dead zones so small movements don't drift and aiming responds predictably. Finally, make sure you update the controller firmware through the Xbox or Accessories app. This resolves bugs and improves compatibility, and ensures new features or corrections are applied. Finish by testing controls in a simple game or the console's controller test so you confirm responsiveness. Try common actions. Move, aim, jump, and use the guide button to validate mappings and feel. This helps you spot drift or lag early. If all works, save a profile and practice until muscle memory forms. If something goes wrong, restart the controller and repair it, swap batteries or charge the pack, and make sure firmware is up to date. That single troubleshooting step fixes most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.